Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Kirtan. I am 25 years of age. Uh, I'm frank in nature,
Married or
unmarried.
okay? What is your education?
SLC pass,
Class 10
class 10
pass.
pass.
Okay. And do you work any other country before?
Yes, I've been in Qatar for two
Okay.
years.
2 years.
Yes.
What is your work experience there?
In I've done baking. That's it.
Okay. What is the last job that recommend you?
They said that I'm a hard worker. I can learn something in fast,
Okay.
bigger time.
What are your expectation from the new job?
To learn something new, to gain skills.
Okay. How much do you want to work on?
Minimum 3 years.
Okay. How many hours you can work? 10, 12. How many hours? If they
Uh,
said 12 hours you have to work, you
yes,
can
yes,
work 12
yes,
hours?
yes.
No problem?
No, no problem.
Okay. Are you married?
No, I'm
Single?
married. Yes.
Okay. Do you have children? No children. Do you drink alcohol?
Occasionally, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, for sure.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't.
Are you sure? No lying?
No,
Okay. And what about your medical?
I'm fit.
Okay. You are fit to work in the poultry farm, in this chicken farm?
Yes, yes.
No problem?
No problem.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Romania?
Because it's a very good country. The weather there is good, not so hot. Uh, that's
Okay. Why you are going to Romania then?
uh, financial for financial.
Financial. Okay. Financial support. Okay. How do you think that you can integrate?
Uh,
How fast?
it depends on the teaching. Maybe 15 days, 30 days.
15 days you can learn.
Yes.
Okay. And you are willing to learn the Romanian language if they give you the some teachers to teach you the Romanian language?
Yes, ma'am. I want.
You want to learn the Romanian
Yes.
language? Okay. Where do you see yourself after 5 years?
In Nepal or in Romania?
It depends on you.
Yes.
Okay. And if you do not find what you want in Romania, what you do? The work that you are going there, the facilities you are not getting there, the good, then you will leave the job or you will try to.
Yes, I will try to learn the other job
Mhm.
which they will give me.
Okay, you are agree for this?
Yes, I'm
Sure. You cannot accept from this, okay? Because I have recorded it, okay?
okay.
And what are you expecting from the employer?
Uh,
What do you think about the employer? What do you expect from the employer?
uh, to make good relationship. Uh, to be honest. That's it.
Okay, thank you.